I wanted to show a quick little resin hack that you can make your own little centers for coasters, things like that. These little circles are about 1/2 inch diameter. If I want to make some of these and then have them ready for coasters, it'll just make my life easier about putting things into the center and having it not float around on you. So the one thing here I'm using are just gold sparkle diamonds, Fireworks Dual Shift, which is a very kind of holographic, colorful glitter that's large and small pieces. These are black check seed beads. These are, I think they're also check seed beads, and they kind of look like bubbles. They're a really pale, almost holographic little clear bubble. And then in this one I'm going to put gold leaf, but I'm going to use Counterculture DIY UV resin and the little lamp. You just take a USB charging cord, and it comes with a short one. I use the longer one here. So I'm just going to open up. This is a little 4-ounce bottle, which goes a long way if you're just doing really small projects. And I'm just going to basically put in a little dollop. And it's okay if they end up being a little bit higher than the mold. They'll kind of level out, but most likely your coasters would be thicker than the depth of these pieces anyway. These little glass beads here, they almost disappear in the clear. They're very, very faint, so I'm not sure if those will show up much. On this last one, I'm going to just take a little gold leaf. I'm going to get a little resin on my stick. I just press and hold. You have a 30-second and a 60 seconds, but if you just press and hold the button, it'll stay on indefinitely. So we're just going to let it sit for a few minutes. You could get a little bit bigger, a silicone mold with the bigger circles for like bigger projects, say like the middle of a bowl or a small tray or something, instead of randomly trying to get it in the center and get it to stay. Or you could just do it straight in the center of your big mold. You could do it with a little bit of UV resin and the lamp and just set it in place so that when you do your effect, it doesn't float away from you. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so they're ready. And so basically you just would pop it out, and you've got this little disc, and it's a little gold piece, and this is a coaster that has some resin in it, but like if this were the bottom of the coaster, you just set it in the middle and you would, do your resin and all effects. But I just wanted you to see that cool trick made with UV resin. What happens is it cures hard just in a matter of minutes, but you can't do it super thick. It has to be in thin layers. That was just using several different kinds of things that you would put in the middle of your coasters or resin pieces. Different variety, glass bits, glitter, seed beads, gold leaf. So just one fun way to make it a little easier for your projects. I hope that was a good hack for you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.